Hi, Assalamualaikum. My name is Sharifah Zarifah binti Syed Ahmad Syazuddin from Crewmate Group. We are going to present our argumentative essay, Human Workers Can Be Replaced by Robot. The robotics revolution is rapidly accelerating a fast-paced technological advance in automation, engineering, energy storage, artificial intelligence and machine learning converge. The far-reaching results will transform the capabilities of robots and their ability to take over tasks once carried out by humans. Existing business models in many sectors will be seriously disrupted and millions of existing jobs will be lost. There are many reasons why humans can be replaced based on the robot system itself. We can saw that technologies has been up to date day by day. So it will be so easy to a robot starting being improved by any engineers, site or specialist. Yes, robots will replace humans for many jobs, just as innovative farming equipment replaced humans and horses during the Industrial Revolution. However, in the wake of this change, humans will be needed to create and deliver value in brand new ways for brand new business models. That's why we can say that work which was supposed to be done by several people can be done by only one person who is operating a robot. That's all from me. I will pass this to our next presenter, Muhammad Alifi.
Assalamualaikum and very good morning. My name is Muhammad Alifi Sidki bin Yusuf and my metric number is 1914-20053. Now it is my turn to talk about human work can be replaced with robot. People really need work to be done faster and easier because all of us want to finish our job or task a fast and easier way. In any field of work or job, all of us already know that people make all work, but now we can use robot to make all the jobs. Robot is a new tool that can make human work become easy and more efficient. Using a robot other than can make the product automate effectively, it can reduce and lower the cost in creating any jobs. It also can delivering and capturing the value of this is important and correctly for the company. In manufacturing industry, of course the robot can lift the heavy object easier compared to human. This can make the work become more quickly and can be repeated with optimal result and increase the speed of the company product. Compared to human, they will get bored at their workplace and they are more vulnerable to the risk of danger. But there are some risks and issues when using robot for a work, such as a robot have technical error, which can sometimes harm the people nearby that cause unwanted injury and violence. The robot will be dangerous when it turns malfunction because it lost the system control inside them and it cannot be controlled anymore. When this happens, we need to fix the damage of the robot to make sure it is safe when we need to use again for work. This will occur to financial issue because to fix a robot, the company have to spend a lot of money to buy the robot material because the robot material is very expensive. This is a bad news for the owner if this issue happen, which can affect the owner to gain profit of the business investment. That's all for me, and I will pass to the next person. Thank you.
Thank you, Alifi, for your first argument about human workers can be replaced by robots. I am Nur Nabiha Aina binti Nazri, and now I will continue my second argument, which is robots being necessary to replace human workers. It's said that because the use of robots in various industries and businesses has been proven to help the smooth running of a company in the product manufacturing process. Manpower from human workers today is considered something outdated or a business that is not growing because it is still tied to humans. The statement above is supported because robots have produced high quality work and many more accurate productivity. In producing the productivity of a business, robots rarely make mistakes and more precise than human workers. If you can see today, there are many mistakes that are clearly detected when it's done by human workers. Robot can also produce a greater quantity in a short amount of time because it's not tied to human time, and robot can work at a constant speed with no break, day off, or holiday time because they can work 24 hours a day without stopping. Furthermore, they can also perform application with more repeatability than humans. Meanwhile, without us realizing it, robots also be able to give this advantage that the most obvious is the unemployment rate is getting lower and lower. When the employment rate decrease, it will affect the country economies and the country performance to become a developed country will decline. I will end my presentation on this topic by stating that although robots have many advantages, but they will also bring disadvantage. My presentation will be continued by Nur Azia.
Hi, my name is Nur Azia binti Abdul Manis. My metric number is 1914200088. Thank you to Nur Nabiha Aina. Nur Nabiha Aina just talked about robot also perform applications with more repeatability than human. Now, it's my turn to talk about my part. Human worker can be replaced by a robot. Robotic technology is advanced in a way that robots are going to be an important to the industry. This is because robots really make mistakes and they cut a lot of costs. Using a robot can make every process run smoothly. Robots don't need to give over attention. Robots also don't have unexpected emergency. And last, robots don't need to be relocated to complete a different kind of sensitive task. The concept of robot is always right is really important to the company that really needs to process their product on time. Robot is a good to technology, but sometimes when robot is too old, there's also doing a mistake and needs a lot of cost to recovery. So that's why some job demand to be complete by a human worker. That's all from me. I end this presentation. Next presentation will present by Nur Shazana.
Thank you, Azia. My name is Nur Shazana binti Muhammad Sukri. Now, it's my turn to make a conclusion. In conclusion, we must admit that robot will replace human for many jobs nowadays and also in the futures. Big companies have been realized that robot and also other technology offer a lot and also big opportunities toward them improve productivity dramatically. Robot will improve the overall efficiency by helping to automate more efficient. robot also will produce a high quality works and automate more productivity. But companies and also industries can't replace human workers with a robot because as we can see, robot has a lot of lack than human workers. Even two people can guarantee to react the same way. So how we want to communicate with a robot that operate through a system or program? Companies and also industries need to make sure machines and also robot can work together and capable to make a profit and also give benefits toward them. That's all from our group, and thank you everyone.